Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook. In this life, we learn from different things for us to succeed. Today we are learning from an airplane. An airplane has a clear destination. You and me, if we want to succeed in this life, we need to have clear goals that we want to achieve. An airplane has a flight plan. Plan your route. Plan your strategies. Write them down and stick to them to achieve your goals. Life has challenges. Life has difficulties, unpredictable ones. Like an airplane faces turbulence in the air. We need to find ways to fight back whatever comes on our way. Fuel up. An airplane will never go up without fuel. As we are breathing, our physical health, our mental health is very important for us to achieve our goals. Regularly, an airplane needs maintenance. You and me, we need to maintain our lives. We need to maintain the relationships, the people around us. We need to check them. Those with negative thoughts, leave them. Remember, there are people who will not want us to succeed. They want us to go down. Teamwork is very important in an airplane. There is a crew there working together. Let's build a strong support network and collaborate with others for us to succeed. Adapt to changes. As flights also, there are changes. They are up because of weather or other factors. Let's be flexible to adapt to any life changes. Safety first, and airplane prioritizes safety. Let's prioritize our well-being and take calculated risk. Continuous learning is another key. As pilots goes for regular trainings, let's also learn from experiences and improve continuously. Let's have good ambitions. Let's set ambitions, goals, and strive for excellency. Thank you.